Hello everyone, welcome to Mama Africa's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make delicious chicken drumstick KFC style, guys. Be ready. So here are our chicken, the flour, breadcrumbs, eggs, and our spices. So we are going to start with our spices first. So I'm going to mix them in my flour. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of ground ginger and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, one teaspoon of salt. I don't like too much salt. And here it is tandoori masala, 2 teaspoons of tandoori masala. And this is garlic salt. So I'm going to use I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of garlic salt. Then we are going to use paprika. So I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of paprika. So this is it. Then now I'm going to mix them together. We are going to do the mixing. We are going to deep fry, guys. It's gonna be deep fried. Gonna be very, very delicious. Delicious. So we have to combine our spices together. All our spices. Make sure you combine them together. And make sure you have to make delicious chicken. Next time you don't have to buy it, you can make it at home. Make it for your family, your friends, yourself. So this is it. What we are going to do, so I'll put my oil ready. So I'm going to move stuff closer for you guys. I'll move my oil a little closer to the camera. I don't have a cameraman, so I'm using my camera alone. So first we are going to start with the dry stuff. Look like it's not going to fit there, so I'll just leave it here. So first you do this. Put it on the flour first. Then eggs. Then breadcrumbs. So put it there. Before we fry them, we're gonna do this process first. So don't rush it. Step by step. Now it's time to fry them. So my oil is ready. The oil is ready. are enough. Now our first batch are ready. We're going to put more. These are ready. You can hear the sound. Very crisp. Fully cooked. This is it. We're going to add more. We are back, guys. Our cooking is done. Everything is ready. Now it's time to eat. Wow, so nice. Very well done. Fully cooked. So this is it, guys. This is it. Let me try it a little bit for you guys. Oh my goodness. It's yummy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Bye now. It's delicious. Very, very delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends and family. Bye. Yummy.